Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the syllabus changes in the Telangana Board of Intermediate Education. So students, this is a press release and it was released on 14th of May. So as per this notice, there have been certain reforms by the TGBI board. Reforms means changes. First one is that TGBI has issued admission notification on 11th of May for junior colleges commencing from 12th of May. Second one is that TGBI has taken the following reforms for different streams and subjects. First is the science stream, which has physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. So the old scheme was that practicals should be conducted for second year only, that too for 30 marks, and the theory paper for 60 marks. But the new scheme says that practical exams should be restructured as 15 marks for first year and 15 marks for second year. And theory exam should be conducted for 60 marks. 60 marks in first year and 60 marks in second year. Now next subject is mathematics. In mathematics, there was no internal assessment and only theory paper was there for 75 marks. But now as per the new scheme, there will be activity based learning ABL assessment for maths A paper and maths B paper. So total 15 marks in first year for maths A paper and B paper separately 15 marks, and then same is for second year also. And your theory exam would be for 60 marks in total. Next group of subjects are humanities. In humanities, you have different subjects. Now for CEC, you have commerce, accountancy, economics and political science, that is civics. And for HEC group, it is history, geography, public administration. Okay. So earlier there was no internal assessment and total marks in the theory paper was 100. But now as per the new scheme, there will be 20 marks ABL, that is activity based learning internal assessment. So some lesson based activity they have to do with you, and then based on that they will give you 20 marks internal, and then theory paper would be for 80 marks. So all these years they haven't changed this, but now they are bringing such improvements. Now moving on to languages. In languages, earlier internal assessment was not there and total theory marks were 100 in the public exam. But now 20 marks internal activity based learning will be there, that is ABL, and your theory paper would be for 80 marks. So in languages you have Hindi,